Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. I'm going to be digging into my eyeshadow palette and I'm going to be replaying with them. So in today's video, I'm going to be replaying with the Revoultion Mini Tasty Avocado palette and the Revolution Pro Ultimate Eye Look palette. What I'm going to do is a part 1 and a part 2. So I'm going to be creating one look with both of these palettes on one eye and creating another look using these two palettes on the other eye. Don't worry, I will still be doing my testing new makeup and first impressions. I will still be doing that, but at the moment I've just got so many eyeshadow palettes which I've only played with like once or twice, and I really want to just go back into my eyeshadow palette and just play around with my eyeshadows more, you know, create different looks. I'm going to play around with these two eyeshadow palettes and I'm going to show you how I created both of these looks. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to, link is in the description bar below. If you guys want to see how I created both of these eye looks, part 1 and part 2, using these two eyeshadow palettes, just keep watching. Okay guys, this is part 2 of playing around with the Revoultion Mini Tasty Avocado palette and the Revolution Pro Ultimate Eye Look palette in Ocean Treasure. Now if you guys want to know how I created this eye look using the two palettes, then please check out my previous video. So we're now going to create a different eye look on this eye. Okay, I'm first going to start with the matte brown, which is in the Tasty Avocado Mini palette. Just going to grab this, it's sort of like a flat brush. It's not an angled brush, but it's very flat. And I'm just going to create a little wing with this. My tape is already in position. So I'm going to just start bringing the brown up. Right, just going to take now a little bit of concealer on a brush and I'm just going to sharpen out the inside of the eye. Just going to clean it up and sharpen it up a little bit. I'm now going to grab the darker blue from the Ocean Treasures palette, so the really dark blue. Just going to grab a Pro 104 Revolution brush, like a very flat brush, and I'm just going to start pressing and smoking this on the lid. I'm just going to start really just pressing this very lightly on the lid. I'm now going to go in with the lighter blue, which is below it, and I'm just going to grab a bigger pencil brush. It's quite a thick one actually, it's a really big pencil brush. I'm just going to smoke that just on top of that dark blue colour. Just trying to be careful not to blend the brown because I don't really want the brown to be blended out. Going a bit more of the darker blue just so that we don't lose the gradient. Now I'm going to grab this cream white matte colour. So I'm going to take this one right here. It's like a, it's like a white matte cream colour on this sort of blending brush. I can't remember where I got this from, but this is a blending brush. Just to sort of help diffuse the blue situation we've got going on. Just to sort of help blend them out. Oof, I forgot how powdery that colour is. Whew. Okay, let's see if we can help to blend those colours out with that colour. Ooh, that is helping. That is really helping to fuse the colour. Right, I'm going to bring that brown under the lower lash line and then I'm going to use a bit of that blue and put it in the waterline. So, let's do the brown first. And then I can decide which blue I want to put in the waterline. Okay, I've decided I think I'm going to go in with the darker blue and I'm going to pop that in the waterline. So I'm just going to take that, grabbing that same brush and really going for it, just popping it right in that waterline. Look at that, that just pops. Works really well in the waterline. Okay, I'm going to grab the silver colour. I'm going to grab a very little small angled, well, it's meant to be a liner brush. Well, it's meant to be, sorry, it's meant to be a lip brush, but I really like using this for the inner corner and the brow bone. So I'm going to grab the silver and I'm going to place that in the inner corner. And then lastly, before we pop the lashes on and finish off the eyes, I am going to grab this beautiful icy, really sparkly colour. So really like icy, sparkly kind of colour. Grabbing the same brush I used to apply the silver. And what I'm going to do is very lightly just press this on top of the blue smoky liner we've got, just to add a hint of sparkle. So I'm just going to just very lightly just go pat, 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 like you do with the glitter. And this is the second eye look complete. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Take care.